lots of work to do here, step by step. So first, ignore the right and work only on the left side. Okay, so what are my like terms here? My like terms are 16 and negative 11, right? This is negative. So 16 minus 11, that's 5. And then we're just bring this down. So that's 5 plus 7x. Okay, now ignore this. Work on this side. I notice there's some distributing to do here. 2 times 7 is 14x. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Then I'm just bringing this down. I notice there are like terms right here, right? So I'm bringing down. This is still 14x. I just brought that down. And then this is negative 12 plus 3. So I have 12 holes in my boat and I have 3 patches. So I have those 12 holes. I patched up 3 of them up. So I only have 9 holes left, right? And I've used up all my patches. Okay, so, and then notice, look, I'm just going to copy this down. Okay, now the next step here, and what's really important here, is to do the x first, okay? Some of you are in the habit of like, okay, I'll add 9 to both sides first. It's not wrong, it's just then you get confused the next step. See how I have x's over here and x's over here? I don't like that. I want them, all the x's to be on the same side. So the first thing I'm gonna do is say, you know what? I'm gonna knock the x's off this side. I'm gonna subtract 7x. And it's totally okay if you wanna subtract 14x, but the key is you gotta knock the x's off one side or the other. Okay, you can't have x's on both sides. So I decided to subtract 7x. You could have subtracted 14x. You would ultimately get the same answer. Okay, now my x is here. Okay, here's x right here. That's where the x is. So you do not care what is here. You want the x by itself, so you say, okay, I need to get rid of the 9, get rid of the 7. I'm going to start by getting rid of addition and subtraction, so we start like this. Okay, 5 plus 9 is 14 equals 7x. Okay, and then finally, this is x being multiplied by 7. I'm going to divide by 7 and get 2 equals x.